Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to save images to the gallery on X, Twitter. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to the desired image that you want to save and click on it to open it in full view. Step 3. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a menu with various options. Step 4. From the menu, tap on Save. This will initiate the process of saving the image to your device's gallery. And there you have it. You've successfully saved the image to your gallery on X, Twitter. Now, you can easily access and view the image anytime you want. Saving images from Twitter allows you to keep a collection of your favorite pictures or share them with others. It's a handy feature to have. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.